Okay, so I just saw those two videos and I'm just thinking to myself, there's something missing. So I have the perfect solution. They don't describe the art of making something great, you know? So I'm here to make the ultimate sandwich ever made. History. Let's get to it.
So, for a sandwich, you're obviously gonna need ingredients. But if you're anything like me, you don't have any ingredients in your fridge. So, you're gonna have to venture out outside, into nature, where ingredients are everywhere, the all-natural ingredients. Take, for example, the wild street bread, typically just found on dirty streets. This wild bread is very hard to catch, actually, so you need to be fast, because you need to get this bread. Next, you need the illustrious garbage mayo. Typically only found in the Himalayas, but I have some, so that's cool.
Here, we have an all-natural tree ham, alright? This came out of the tree. I'm not going to explain how. I'm not a tree scientist, or a ham scientist for that matter, but this is it. Tree ham, very important ingredient. And so, if you're one of nature's finest ingredients, cheese. Right? This is all natural cheese found in the wild. Alright, it's gonna be good.
Originally, I found an egg out in the wild by a couple of cacti, but being the dumb that I am, I don't really want to talk about it. But after collecting my ingredients and winding down with a drink or two, it was finally time.
Now that we have all of our ingredients, it's time to make the sandwich. I didn't have any of that special lettuce or tomato, so instead I'm using my adoption papers to make fake lettuce and tomato, okay? So all we gotta do right here is just gotta cut it in half, okay? One will be for our lettuce. So we have shredded lettuce here. This paper shredded lettuce, it doesn't taste the same, but I mean it's still got the crunchiness, you know. So, all right, this is our paper lettuce. And here for our tomatoes, all we gotta do is just make little like squares or something. I don't know. Why are we doing this paper thing? I don't understand. Okay. Just get more of this adoption tomatoes. I trademarked that. And there we go. 3 adoption tomatoes and some shredded lettuce. But you might be wondering, how am I going to do this without some music? Cue the montage. Here we go. It's finally finished. The final product. It's done. This is the moment of truth. This is the ultimate sandwich. Where's my drink? Taste test. Number 1.